Hi guys, I'm Jess.
And I'm Maya.
And we're here with PrettyLittleThing to try out the perfect self-tan today.
And we've got the expert's guide on how to get the perfect self-tan, so we'll show you how to prep, apply, top up and remove.
So yeah, we're just going to try out each step now and let you guys know what we think.
Okay, so we're now on the application part of our routine.
So the first thing we've got is the Isle of Paradise Tanning Applicator Mitt. How cute is this packaging? I think it looks so nice.
So it says you have to dispense the mousse, gradual or instant tan directly onto the mitt and sweep over the body for a streak-free application.
Okay, amazing. Should we get it out? Yeah. It actually feels really soft. I feel like you got it the wrong way.
Oh, is this?
I feel like, oops. Imagine if you applied it with that.
It would not go on.
I mean, you can try it, Ham.
I mean, it's not going to work.
No, it's not going to work.
So I've got the Rose and Caramel Velvety Dark Olive Tone Tanning Mousse. So it says that you have to pump the mousse directly onto a tanning mitt. So we've got one right here.
Yeah.
Use continuous sweeping motions to smooth over legs, arms and body. The colour will develop over 6 to 8 hours. Pat a small amount of mousse into your mitt before gently rubbing over face.
Oh, so you put it on your face?
Yeah, you can use it on your face too.
Do you normally put tan on your face? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you? No, never.
What?
I don't know, I feel like it just scares me.
No, I love a tan over my face.
Okay, I need to try that.
And then it says, Velvety has a green undertone throughout development and is designed to achieve an olive tone tan, so it's perfect for my skin colour.
Yeah, I don't even know what skin colour I am, I feel like I'm yellow.
Simpson.
No, I actually am a Simpson, I'm not joking.
So I've just looked at my guide and it says that the velvety mousse should not be used on its own if you have naturally green or yellow undertones, like you, to your skin, as it will enhance it. However, if you still want the dark velvety results, we recommend using the ultimate tan, as the nudity will lift the olive tones.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I've had that before where I've used some tans, like it actually looked green, like it looked awful.
Yeah, I've seen that too.
Yeah, so that's not for me.
Yeah.
Right, so the one that I've got is the Isle of Paradise Express Ultra Dark Self Tanning Mousse. So I always use Ultra Dark whenever I'm tanning anyway. This one says it's with colour correcting actives to even skin tone. This Express Self Tanning Mousse with our darkest formulation gives your deepest, fastest ever glow, which is amazing. I'm just gonna see what my sheet says about this as well. It says it's super hydrating, which I love because I hate when tans like really dry you out.
Yeah, because it goes patchy.
Yeah, that's the worst, isn't it? So it says I need to exfoliate 24 hours before tanning. Well, we've already exfoliated, so we're good to go. Moisturize dry areas. Yeah, you have to do that.
Well, I don't really use fake tan, so...
Yeah, but you're quite naturally tanned anyway,
yeah, so I don't need it, but you can help me show.
Yeah, I feel like you should just literally just put like one pump on and see how much comes out. I never use very much. Okay, maybe I would go for another pump. Yeah. Oh my god, you can see yours looks green. So it just said rub it in circular motion. Wow, mine is really ultra dark. Look at mine.
I look so green.
Why is yours so green? Right, you need to check that.
Right, let me check the guide.
What does it say?
So it says, don't be alarmed by the guide colour as it has a green tinge to it, which explains this. This is to counteract any orange tones when layering that tan due to DHA. After leaving the tan to set for 6 to 8 hours, wash the guide colour off, you'll be left with a gorgeous olive tone tan.
At least you know you're not going to get a streaky tan because you know exactly where you're putting it. I love the colour of mine. Look at mine, it's a really nice, like, deep colour.
It looks natural as well.
Doesn't it? No. And mine's meant to develop between 4 and 6 hours, so it's actually not that long.
So shorter than mine.
Yeah, that's really not that long. What do you think about the mitt? Do you like it?
Yeah, the mitt's good. It's blending mine well.
Yeah, same.
How about yours?
Yeah, I think it looks good. Okay, so do you smell my tan? It actually smells like a bit like lavender. It doesn't.
Mine doesn't smell.
They don't actually smell like, sitting here, they don't smell like smelly fake tans.
Yeah, I hate that tan. It smells like proper chemically.
Oh my god, that's horrible.
It's the worst.
No, these actually smell like quite natural. No, I'm a fan of this. I feel like I could go to sleep in this. Yeah, I feel like this has actually left no streaks. It's gone on really easily. I'm impressed with this. I actually really like this.
Well, me too, but I can't really see because it's a bit green right now. But
I'm sure when you look really green.
I'm sure when you wash it off, it'll be fine.
Yeah, but this is your skin tone anyway, so that's gonna work for you.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm quite like a yellow tone skin anyway, so if you're yellow tone, then this is definitely good. Yeah.